How you doing, guys? It's Mike again. Just want to share a quick video with you guys on a simple wheel swap I did on a TROCA. Come out very nice, and I want to thank you guys first for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos every time I make a new video, or even go check out my old videos and give it a like and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. Share my videos if you want. That'd be greatly appreciated. Tell your friends about the channel, alright? Again, quick wheel swap on this TROCA. Showed it on Instagram yesterday. I chose these rims. They're in the back too, you just can't see them because they're tucked away. And these fit perfectly on here. Okay, it's all buttoned down as well, as you can see. Fit perfect. They roll beautifully. They are amazing. I choose these rims because of the color in the tempo. You got the yellowish orange in the tempos here on the top and on the sides. That's why I chose these rims. It's a yellowish copper-ish type color chromed out rim. Is the detail in the back, the tail lights, it's hard to see, but door handles, the little details here, and the badge, I would think that is. You got your headlights and the badge in the front there. I did. Again, door handles. But yeah, I love these wheels. Here's a closer look. It's probably not going to focus, but that is pretty dang sweet. I like it. Just a simple wheel swap, you know. Just want to show you guys. Got to jump in the shower and get ready to go to work tonight. Another overnight, so that's pretty cool. A lot of work to be done. There's the front again. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Really, really appreciate it. And as always, take care and God bless. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thanks again as always, guys. Take care now.